Hello, welcome back. Red grouper. You heard me, red grouper. But before I start and show you what I'm going to prepare with this red grouper, the type of recipe that I have designed for it, click that like button, subscribe, share this video, share with me your comments and ideas in the comment section. So go nowhere. Let's create. Let me start with ingredients. Of course, I have the red grouper. This is wild caught, meaning that it's not from a farm. And red grouper, when you compare with other groupers, is actually the taste is much better, in my opinion. It tastes fantastic. I'm going to have some mini tomatoes. I'm going to slice them, somewhat slice them. I have about 2 or 3 teeth of garlic, which I'm going to mince. I got some Italian parsley. I got some thyme, which is, in my opinion, one of the most underrated spices. I have some black pepper. I'm not going to use a lot because I don't want this black in it. I have a lemon, which I'm going to squeeze. Sea salt. You know, we are dealing with fish from the sea, so we're going to use some sea salt. And I have some clarified butter, ghee butter, but you can use any unsalted type of butter. Keep it simple. Little bit of sea salt, little bit of pepper. You don't want a lot because you don't want to blacken it. See how beautiful? Do the same on the other side. And now let's go to the next step. I'm going to pre-prepare my butter mix. Because this fish is going to go to the oven, but I want to prepare this mix. I want it to melt it first. And what I do is start melting the ghee. And I'm going to add some of the Italian parsley. Could be any type of parsley, by the way. And the thyme. Let me use the right tool for this. Lower the heat to low, because all you want to do is melt it. See? And then what you do is you start adding some of the garlic, and you add the tomatoes. You're not going to live here for a long time. You're just melting things. You don't want to fry or anything like that. Just melting it. See? See how beautiful it looks? How nice. And you have sufficient butter. And now that it's nicely melted, you put a little bit of a squeeze of lemon. You don't want to go crazy with it. So you see how small I cut? With a little squeeze. So you put in a container. I have this very old glass container. I have this for almost 30 years now. So I have some lemon zest that I peel from the actual lemon. I got a couple slices of lemon. And I got my butter mix. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start moving things around a little bit. Put some of the zest around. Sprinkle around the zest. And then I'm going to transfer some of that butter in the fish. See how beautiful? So it's in the oven. I'm going to put it at 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to let it cook. So I cooked this baby for about 30 minutes. Look how beautiful it looks, huh? See? Nice.